Good morning. In this video you can make a test of the Unit 3 of the book Superman for the 5th class. This is the test of the Unit 3. A. Listen and tip true or false. Number 1. What time is it? It's 8:30. Number 2. What time is it? It's 2:45. Number 3. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Number 4. What time is it? It's 11:15. B. Read and match. I have a shower. I go to school. I have breakfast. I go to bed. I play with my friends. So you read again and match. Write the number in the pictures. Letter C. Look, read and answer. What time do you get up? And you can answer, I get up at. Number 2. What time do you have lunch? Number 3. What time do you do your homework? Number 4. What time do you play with your friends? Number 5. What time do you have a dinner? So, write the answer and complete exercise letter C. See you next video.